Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Grammarly subscription on your iPhone step by step in very simple terms. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the App Store. This is where all your app payment and subscription are managed. In the App Store, look at the top right corner. You will see your profile picture. Tap on it. Now, a menu will pop up here. Tap on subscription. This will show you all the apps you are paying for every month or year. Scroll through the list and look for Grammarly. If you have an active subscription, you will see it here. Tap on Grammarly subscription. You will see details like the plan and price. At the bottom, tap cancel subscription or cancel free trial. If a confirmation pop up, tap confirm. After confirming, the subscription status will change to expired on. This means it won't renew again. You won't be charged anymore. You can continue using Grammarly until the expired date, but it won't auto renew. That's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.